In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download and install CapCut on PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a thumbs up. First, start by accessing the Microsoft Store. On your computer, use the search bar, usually located at the bottom, and type in Microsoft Store, or simply click on the shortcut in the taskbar if you have it there. Once in the store, use the search bar at the top to look for CapCut. You'll easily find the app. Allow it to load, then navigate to the top right corner and select Install. The app will begin downloading. Once the download completes, CapCut will automatically install. You'll see a notification indicating Installed when it's done. As you can see, I have already installed it on my computer. After installation, you can exit the Microsoft Store. Then, go back to the search function at the bottom of your computer and type in CapCut to find the newly installed application. Upon opening it, you might encounter a pop-up that's testing the compatibility of your device with CapCut. Wait for this test to complete. You should receive a message confirming that your computer is compatible with CapCut. I hope this guide was helpful. If so, please support us by subscribing to our channel and liking this video.